Okay. All right. So I've been looking on the internet and on YouTube, about iRobot Roomba that's making a clunking sound. And I couldn't find either this model, I couldn't find the brushes that looked like this one, and so I just thought I'd do a quick clip. So I'm not going to show you how to take it apart. That's really, really easy, and there's lots of videos on that. But this unit is the Roomba E5. It's the one that picks up dog hair. And so I just wanted to show you really briefly what the problem was and how I fixed it, because the other great links and efforts just didn't address this issue. Okay, so I actually, I was following the other videos, taking it apart. I took the opportunity to vacuum it. It does get dirty, and so I pulled this out, but I didn't really need to. All I needed to do was the clunking sound. I think is just hair accumulation in these brushes, and then what it did was it jammed up one of the bearings. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so these two brushes come out of there, all right, and you got to clean these every time. You got to clean it if you got a dog like we have. Okay, so you pull the hair out of that end, and this is the bearing end. All right, so I'd never been in this thing. It's pretty new, and so I'd never looked at it before, so I didn't know what normal looks like. So when we pulled this apart, okay, this cap was very difficult to pull off, and I pulled it off, and the brass right in there, that brass, I don't know what it's called, but that's the bearing. That brass bit there was jammed on the shaft here because so much hair had wound around there that it actually got up underneath between the shaft and that bearing and stopped it. Actually, you couldn't turn it with your fingers, but it should be free spinning, like this green one is free spinning. Okay, so we took that one apart and cleaned it also. So I took pliers and I pulled off this brass fitting, which was just jammed on the shaft, pulled it off, and sure enough there was a bunch of more hair underneath of it that I couldn't see. Cleaned it off, put some grease on it, stuck it back in there. This is actually the whole bearing assembly. Stuck that in there. Now it's free spinning, and that should fix it. That's it. Good luck.